In this demonstration video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your AnySmart lock without the need of an admin access. In a situation where you forgot your admin PIN number, then follow these steps. Step 1. Locate the back of the lock and slide open the battery lid cover. Step 2. Remove one of the battery from the battery holders. Step 3. Locate the small hole on the top right next to the article number. Step 4. Use the tip of the pen and poke into the hole and hold. While holding down the pen, place the battery back into the battery holder.
Please verify administrator.
And you will hear the lock asking for administrator access. Step 5. Locate the pin pad and input our factory default pin number for our AnySmart locks. 075526929133. Once you've input the pin, the lock pad should beep and flash 4 times to notify you that your reset was successful.